Hello guys, good morning all of you. This is 5:22 a.m. and in today's topic I'm going to discuss how to expertise your syllabus. So if you want to be expert about your gate preparation, you have some set of rules what you have to follow, and if you follow that rule, then in any subject you can score really desired mark. For example, if they are asking numericals from aircraft structure, and if that numerical is somewhat like from 17 to 19, or you can say roughly 20 marks, then how can you get like 18 to 90 marks, like these kind of marks, how can you secure, like if you are having very good expertise in this thing, then only you can get these kind of marks, right? For example, if suppose propulsion they are asking of 18 marks, just an example, then how can you secure 18 out of 18 in propulsion? Like these kind of like expertise I'm trying to talk. So because I have enough experience about gate aerospace department, because it's been 8+ years I'm teaching, and 6 times I have qualified gate aerospace. So I'm the I'm the right person to advise for this topic. How can you achieve your expertise in this particular gate exam preparation? For example, if you want to be very good in aircraft propulsion, aircraft structure, like there is some very important methodology, so that I will discuss here. So actually they are very strong methods. If you will follow them, then only you can gain your expertise on this. So how to expertise? So for that, your first thing you understand, time. There is requirement of time. So how much time is required? So see, if student is like of average level, you understand what kind of student is of average level. Like in your university, you'll be having so many friends in your college. So some of them will be very intelligent, and some of them will not be intelligent, but they will be very very smart. Okay, so intelligent people and smart people, they are actually different, and some will be like average. So if I'm saying is intelligent and smart people, your friend's name will be coming in your mind, right? Okay, yes, that friend is smart, but that friend is intelligent, like that kind of thing. So let's talk this in detail. So this video will be somewhat 15 minute or something, 20 minutes lengthy. So if you have enough time, then watch the complete video, you'll understand everything in detail. So you need, first of all, you need time. So that time should be of 9 to 12 months to understand the syllabus in detail. And when you are understanding the syllabus, there itself you have some inputs, and if you are providing those inputs and those efforts, you are going to expertise your syllabus. So step 1, you have to watch all my video lectures, okay, or you have to attend my live classes, right? If you are doing that, then after I am giving some kind of assignment and examples. Those examples and assignment you will solve. So when you are solving those assignments or equations or any kind of question, then you will be having some doubts. Those doubts you ask me in detail, and I will explain those doubts in detail, okay, like the way I am doing with my current year current batch students, right? Then I have some properly designed test series. In that you have topic wise test series, chapter wise, subject wise, and full length test series. So in this, whatever topic you are finishing, on those topics you go for topic wise test series. After solving topic wise test series, then you will realize that okay, this particular topic you are able to understand or not. So there itself you can judge whether you are getting expertise in this particular subject or not, in this particular topic, in this particular chapter or not. Okay, so for that you need to talk to me. That's this particular topic I have done with you, and I have solved all the examples and all the important questions whatever I have given in drive course. And after that I have gone through test series, and there I realized that I am not scoring very very well. So there only this question comes whether you are expert or not. Okay, you forget about upcoming gate questions. You first focus on the questions what is in front of you. That question you are not solving in gate exam hall, that question you are solving at home. So if you are not able to solve the numerical, it means you are lagging, it means you are not doing up to the mark, right? So in that case only we talk about how to expertise, how to gain that kind of expertness level, right? So for that, steps are very very clear. First thing, do you have 9 to 12 months? Why I'm saying 9 to 12 months? Because it depends on student. Okay, so course length itself is of like 9th month, and if you are doing this by self study, then it depends on you whether you are preparing in right path or you are not preparing in right path. What should be your path? What kind of senior is helping you? What kind of teacher is helping you? Like how well groomed that teacher or how well groomed that senior is, like lot of things. Because many people, they are not knowing gate exam properly, but their advice like advices will be like better than like Gita lecture, Mahabharat lecture, like that. Okay, they will talk lot of things about gate exam, and you will be amazed, like, oh my god, so this is the way to crack gate exam, this is the way to crack gate exam. And one thing in advance I want to mention here, whatever toppers are talking on YouTube that this was my way to prepare for gate exam, then always keep in mind, guys, they are toppers. Okay, first ranker is always a first ranker. First ranker is really very hard worker, or you can say very smart person, very intelligent person. Okay, so consider yourself as a average student. And if you are watching any interview from the first topper, all India rank 1 topper, then from that interview you don't have to follow everything, you follow only few things who can be followed by an average student. Consider yourself as average student. Okay, now see here. So step 1, if you are in my coaching center, then no problem, I will take care of everything. But if you are doing self study, then first you go and think like what is the right material where you have to prepare. After that, you have to solve very good amount of numerical on a particular topic. For example, if you are solving normal shock wave, then on this topic, for every equation you should solve at least 2 to 3 numericals. So from where will you get these numericals? Okay, so for this like if you are with me, then I'm giving everything, no problem. But if you are self-study student, then you find different books, and from different books. And one more thing, at least you can purchase the test series. So for that also you can contact me and purchase test series. So through the test series, topic wise test series, you complete, and then you can realize whether you are able to solve or not. Now see how the expertise will come in reality. So see guys, expertise comes with two things. First thing, do you know all the content about the particular topic, all the concepts, all the formulas related to the particular topic? Knowing is first thing. After that, you have to keep that in mind. If all the formulas and all the concept in your mind, then after 1 month also, if I am asking that tell me the formula of this thing, tell me the formula of this thing, if you are prepared of this level, then only you can be enough mature to talk about expertise. Okay, so how to expertise it? So first thing, first step, complete the syllabus, not entire syllabus, whatever topic you are preparing, that topic at least you prepare in detail. Detail means you go through 4 to 5 books, because one book is not sufficient for anything I am saying. Okay, so this is the major difference between self study and a coaching center. Because when you are in coaching center, then I will be teaching you everything, right? But when you are doing with self study, then every topic you should prepare like using 4 to 5 books. Like there are so many channels and so many things, like they will say that this book is very good for aerodynamics, this book is very good for propulsion. No guys, actually you have to go with all the sources of the particular chapter or the particular subject. Okay, so you have to complete the topic in detail. After that, you have to practice enough amount of question. Now how many questions a person should solve? Like see, for example, in jet propulsion you should solve 10 to 20 questions. Why 10 questions? Because some students can understand like 5 question itself, they will be error free, and all the concepts will be in their mind, and they will be able to apply the concept. So the way I was saying here, you have to remember all the formulas. Why it is important? Because if you know the formula, then automatically one part of brain will help you, right? And if you know the topic, but if you don't know the formula, or you are not able to recall the formula, it means you are not able to recall some concepts also. So if you are not able to recall formula, if you're not able to recall concepts, then how can you think that you can solve the numerical at any cost? You can solve the numerical if and only if you know all the required formulas for the numerical. So from where are you going to achieve that like all types of formulas? So from your sources only, correct? Either from your teacher or from your senior or from your gate teacher, or like, right? Okay, after knowing all the formulas, your major job is remember all the formulas, remember all the concepts. So for your formula, you make a separate notebook, then only you can think about doing expertise. Now see, when you are behind like being expert about a particular topic for gate preparation. So always keep in mind, always, no one can be 100% prepared for gate exam. No one can be 100% prepared for the gate exam. So how can we say that we are teaching 100% in any coaching center, or someone is saying that okay, I have taught you 100% syllabus? So see guys, there is some set of syllabus mentioned in the gate voucher every year, right? Okay, like this is going to be my syllabus. But see, in that syllabus, for example, just an example, if they are saying that heat transfer is there in the syllabus, then in heat transfer there is a huge, like heat transfer is huge, so many things they can ask in heat transfer. It means topic wise, if you go that, so for example, knowing heat transfer itself is like, okay, I know heat transfer, but inside heat transfer, what are the subtopics in that, what are the formulas in that, again further what are the sub concepts and something, like knowing everything means you know everything about heat transfer. Then how long you will go? This is infinite, right? So this is how people, some students, so this will not happen in every topic, first of all. That's why everyone cannot be the topper. Like topper is like someone that some questions came off his or her interest. I mean, some questions were really like he or she was able to crack. That's why, but others could not crack. Okay, so I hope it's clear. Syllabus, how much you have to prepare, that should be very, very clear in your mind if you are doing self-study. Okay, from my side, don't worry. I am already teaching. I mean, if you are in my coaching center, if you have enrolled. So next thing, if you are having complete syllabus idea, then whether that syllabus is being ready on time, because time is a big factor, very big factor. So if syllabus is being on time, then is it coming in your brain? Like, is it going to stay in your brain for a long time? Because if the concept or the formula is not in your brain, then you forget that you can solve numerical. Most of the time students used to think, sir, I know the concept, but I'm not able to apply the concept in the numerical. So two causes. First cause, you are solving this numerical for the very first time. That's why you are not able to solve the numerical. Okay. Like numericals are very tricky or something, but like a very different variety of numerical you are trying. Maybe the first numerical itself what you are trying is some kind of tricky numerical. That's why, because if you are solving a numerical and that numerical is directly based on formula, anyone can solve. In that case you cannot say that sir, I was not able to solve the numerical. Okay, so the first thing is what type of numerical we are giving you. Okay, after knowing the topic and after knowing the concept also, you are saying that I am not able to solve the numerical. It means first thing, variety of numerical, nature of numerical. Next thing, your own weakness. Your own weakness means you are saying that you are ready with the concept, you are ready with the formula, but because you are not able to solve the numerical, it means your formula or your topic is not ready. It means virtually you are saying you are ready, but when question is coming in front of you, then you are not able to solve the numerical. It means okay, you are not able to solve them. It means it is your weakness. So both are possibilities. First possibility, that you are not prepared, and next possibility, you are prepared, but that nature of the question was like out of box. But definitely this question will you will crack with the help of the same topic and same formula, but the nature of question was very tricky. And tricky questions are, why? See, there is something called trick. Trick means everyone cannot catch the trick. Everyone cannot catch the shortcut for this, right? Everyone cannot experience like, okay, this was the idea. So it depends on your maturity. So finally, that's what I'm talking, how to gain maturity or how to gain expertise on a particular topic. So steps are very clear now. Okay, complete the syllabus in a proper time. Then always keep the syllabus in mind, always keep the formulas in mind. Then variety of numericals you have to solve. That's why I said if you are a self-study student, then different books you have to solve so that you can know variety of so this is the only key. This is the only key to expertise. Now next thing, how many times you have to revise? It depends on students. How soon you are forgetting your topic. So how will you know that how you are forgetting your topic or not? For that you have to keep revising. Then only you will understand, okay, I forgot. After 1 year, if you will revise, then definitely you are going to forget everything. Because I am not going to ask you what is the name of the syllabus, what is the name of the topic. I mean, in GATE exam, they are going to ask you the formula, the question, right? And in the last, you take care of your test series. Solve all the test series. And now see, previous year questions. This is a very, very important topic. Like previous year questions, do they really play a very important role? Are they really that much worth? Previous year question paper I'm talking. Should we solve previous year question paper? So actually from last 2-3 years, nature of the question is being very different. So that's why I will make a separate video, like previous year question paper plays what kind of role and how worth they are if you are solving previous year question paper in detail. Okay, I hope I'm making things very clear. Okay, see you in next video.